Hi guys, welcome back over to the channel. In today's video, as the title indicates, we are going to clean this fridge. You guys, my fridge is a hot mess. It stays a hot mess, and sometimes it just makes me not feel like even touching it or even wanting to cook or eat or anything, just because everything is so disorganized. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed, okay? Hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss a video from us, okay? So let me show you guys what this fridge looks like right now. Okay, I have one of those like long fridges, like the side by sides. So this is what it looks like. Let me actually just dim the light down. Child, let me tell you something. If you're African, you know the drill. This is what a true African household fridge looks like, because we have all the extra stuff, okay? We got the fish, the kongs, all that stuff, okay? But this is the side that bugs me the most. This side is kind of sort of organized, but not really, so I'll kind of reorganize it a little bit. But this is the side that I really want to concentrate on, because everything here is just a hot mess. Don't ask me why I have all that butter, because child, I don't know. But this is what the before looks like. Okay, now that you've seen what the fridge looks like, let's go ahead and get to work. I'm gonna show you guys what I actually picked up and where I actually picked them up from, okay? So most of this stuff I got from Home Goods. When you try to buy these things either from Amazon or from the container store, child, it is expensive. Okay, we're doing this on a budget, okay? Because y'all know me, I'm frugal as hell, okay? So I bought everything here from Home Goods, and I've literally bought just one kind of item from the container store because Home Goods didn't have it, but that's about it. Everything else is gonna be super affordable. These are the only bottles that I got from the container store because Home Goods did not have any. But that's about it. Everything else is literally, you guys, from Home Goods. You can see that one of these is like $3.99, which is like the bottle stacker. If I was to buy this from Amazon or from the container store, you wouldn't know how much money I would have spent on that. All right, you guys, so let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. But like I said, before we get started, please make sure you are subscribed. Leave this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment down in the comment section below. How does your freezer look like right this second? Don't lie. Let me know in the comment section, okay? Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start cleaning up all the storage bins. So right now I'm just putting a hairdryer on all the stickers so that way it's easy to peel, as you can see. Keep it on repeat. Please don't let it fade. Just say you want. Tried this method, you totally should. Like, this is amazing. Let's go ahead and wash all of the dishes, all of the bins, and just make everything clean and nice, okay? Because when you buy these things from the stores, child, you gotta make sure you wash them before you use them, because honey, in case you're wondering, I actually use Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. That's just what I use for my household. I do like the basil, I like the lavender, in case you just want to know. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You're my melody. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and clean the fridge, clear everything out, and make sure we have a clean slate. Most of the things was probably expired. You see me looking at the expiration date, because baby girl, this fridge was a struggle. It was a struggle. Oh, just say you want. I follow every sound. Just say you want. Don't judge my fridge, don't judge me, because yo, I just don't have time to never arrange my fridge, okay? I hope you actually make time and actually clean your fridge as you're watching this. Let's do this together. Let's have a great time. So we just make sure that we take all the fridge bowls out and clean them up. I didn't take these stackables out because I feel like it's going to be a lot easier to just leave them in there and just clean them as I go. So now let's go ahead and start cleaning up all of our fruit, all of our vegetables, and just put them and start storing them in the storage bins that we got from Home Goods. This is one of the bins that I got from Home Goods. Also, it has this like separation bin with it that kind of like just let all the water drain from it, which is quite nice. So it actually helps the your produce to stay a lot longer.
You keep me on my feet. I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat. Please don't let it fade. Just say you want.
Right now I'm just cutting up all of the strawberries. I like to cut my strawberries. Some of them half, and then some I leave whole because I do like to make chocolate covered strawberries. Sometimes, you know, a girl gotta eat. So yeah, just sit down, relax, and watch. Let's just cut up these and clean.
You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away.
So now we just want to move on to the lettuce. I am just gonna go ahead and wash all of these produces like I said. Just washing up the lettuce, so whenever I'm actually going to use it in the fridge, everything is nice and clean. And I'm just using this lettuce draining bowl that is probably like super old. I don't even know where I got this from, but I'm sure you can get it from anywhere.
To sweep me off my feet to a different beat. Oh, just say you want. I follow every sound. Just say.
Right now I'm just cutting up the carrots, and this also again make my life a lot easier because when you have all of your produce clean, all you need to do is just pull it out, rinse, and just like get to work. And I'm just putting my carrots inside a jar, putting some cold water inside and covering it up, and this actually makes your produce or your carrots last a lot longer.
Keep me on my feet. I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat. Please don't let it fade. Just say you want.
Just go ahead and put all of our snacks, put in drinkable yogurts, fruit jars, and the like inside the bins and just organize them nicely. I don't know about you guys, but this is very satisfying to watch for me.
So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we don't.
And this this is more yogurt that I'm just gonna stack inside these. You will realize that I changed the way I set it up, and that's the beauty of it. If you make the mistake or you think something don't fit, just make it work. It's not like a one size fit all. Just use the method as it fits your household. Now I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all of my milk and all of my heavy cream and my juices inside this clear jars. And you guys, the reason why I love this is because when it's about to run out, I would always know when I have to go to the grocery store that I need to get some more. I get the small ones for the milk because I'm someone who don't drink too much milk, so I don't buy too much milk. I just buy the small tins and put it in here. And the other reason is the juice boxes are way bigger and this is a lot smaller, so it actually creates more space inside your fridge. If you don't want to do that, it's fine, but I think this is actually quite nice. And these were actually very cheap. The big ones were like $5.99 and the small ones were like $3.99.
So we get this through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody.
Now let's just go ahead and start stacking up stuff inside the fridge. So I'm just now putting on all the water, and as I said, when your OCD kicks in, you want all the water to face straight ahead, okay?
You're my melody.
So now I'm just putting everything in and just organizing everything and just basically see how it will fit better. I actually would go back and buy 2 more of the big ones just to fit my Coffee Mate and my cold brew also, because I like my coffee child, okay? These are the stackables, and these ones were from Home Goods. Over here I just have my lettuce, broccoli, bell peppers, asparagus, strawberries. I cut half of my strawberries and then the other half I left it whole. And here I have watermelon because I love watermelon. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the stackable bottle holders on the side, just to kind of use that spot, since that spot wouldn't fit anything but that, and it actually fits perfectly in there. And there I just put my sparkling water. My brother drinks sparkling water. I drink sparkling water sometimes too, and some of my guests actually like to drink sparkling water instead of regular water. I like still water. So now let's just go ahead and keep arranging everything nicely. This is like so satisfying. I love watching this kind of videos, you guys, but let me let you enjoy it so I don't talk too much, okay? Because I could talk all day.
No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away.
So now I just take my can holder or my can drink holder, and we just want to go ahead and stack all of my Fanta in there. I love Fanta, you guys. That's my guilty pleasure. When I want to treat myself, that's what I drink. So please do not judge me. Okay, so we're gonna put the eggs inside the egg holder, whatever this is called. Stack them in there so that it's not it's out of that ugly brown container that it normally comes in, and then just put that in the fridge. I like to put that on the door area so it's just like out of the way. I think it's just a lot easier and it looks cleaner. So right now, just go ahead and watch me just put all of my hot sauce and my mustard and all that good stuff, okay, up on it there, because I love hot sauce, as you can see, you guys, okay?
No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody. You're my melody.
So I just went ahead and slide my cheddar bread in between that little corner. My butter, I actually got this also from Home Goods, the butter thing, which actually has the measurements for the butter. So if you have to measure the butter, it actually tells you the actual perfect measurement. On the last row on the bottom, I actually put my cheese and my whipping cream, and I also put my cilantro inside that jar, put some water on the bottom of it, and then just stack it in there. This what you're seeing right now is actually the onion holder and the garlic holder. This actually makes sure that it doesn't stink when you put it in the fridge, and it actually holds it to stay a lot longer. I love that, and it was only like $3.99 from Home Goods. So right now I'm putting all of the rest of the veggies inside, and my habanero salt pepper inside Ziploc bags, and just put them in the fridge. Voila guys, I am all done on this side. As you can see, everything on this side is all done. Look at how organized this is, you guys. Please try this at home. You would love it, and your kids will love you because everything would be a lot easier to see. On the bottom of the fridge, like the middle drawer, I actually left that spot empty, so I can put bowls of like extra food left inside that drawer also. The freezer, you guys, hot mess, but it's not a hot mess. Okay, it's organized, but you just can't tell because it looks like it's a hot mess, but it's organized based on like category. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put everything inside a bin, so it kind of makes it a lot easier for me to just see and just to pull out also and use whenever I need something. It's alright, you're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. These are all basically stuff that I buy when I go home, that I can't buy in America. So I basically just have to freeze them. So it's pretty organized. You just can't tell. This is all like catfish that is like wrapped up when I basically fly with it overseas. And this one I need to just move up here. So over on top I have all my fruits and my naan breads, ice cream, so that way it doesn't smell like fish. And then over in the middle here I basically have all my smoked fish, my snail. Listen guys, okay, it's real. And over here I have my catfish, which is the kong, yit and geja basically. And right there is like spinach, kering, which is jute leaves and all that good stuff. All right, you guys, so now we are all done. Just like a quick view of what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoy it. Quick view of what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And as always, I love you all so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye.